Welcome to AI Guru J with your preferred mentor, Ram Naresh Jha. Today, we're on a mission to unlock the full potential of Siri, exploring features that are often overlooked. Siri, the virtual assistant developed by the tech giant Apple, is far from simply being a tool for setting alarms or shooting off quick text messages. It has significantly wider capabilities, providing a wealth of features that have the potential to completely transform your interaction with Apple devices. So let's dive in, uncover the real power of Siri, and see what incredible things it can do for you. Siri's capabilities extend beyond the ordinary. This extraordinary dynamic innovation boasts numerous cutting-edge features, each specifically crafted to revolutionize your engagement with Apple devices. The potential is limitless, possessing the ability to not only alter your daily device usage, but also redefine your understanding of what technology can accomplish. In order to truly leverage the untapped power of Siri, correct initial setup is crucial. This involves a simple yet important process of navigating to your device's settings, locating the Siri and search section, and enabling the Listen for Hey Siri option. This key step lays the groundwork for a hands-free activation, ensuring every interaction with Siri is seamless and efficient. It's key to remember that the design of Siri is rooted in being a smart assistant that is as user-friendly as it is intelligent. Hands-free activation not only makes Siri's usage simpler, but it also enhances the accessibility of your Apple device. It's comparable to having a personal assistant at your disposal, ready to help at just the utterance of "Hey Siri." So let's plunge into the unknown and reveal what Siri is truly capable of. Considering its wide-ranging capabilities, it's about time we release the full power of. In our quest to unlock Siri's hidden treasures, it's essential to set the stage right. This initial setup involves a few simple yet vital steps that will make every interaction with Siri smooth and effortless. So let's embark on this journey with Ram Naresh Jha, your AI guru, guiding you through the process. Firstly, we need to ensure that Siri is turned on. For this, navigate to your device's settings, locate the Siri and search section, and enable the Listen for Hey Siri option. This vital step is the cornerstone of hands-free activation, making Siri as accessible as possible. Next, we need to personalize Siri according to our needs. To do this, head over to the Siri voice option in the Siri and search settings. Here you can choose the accent and the gender of Siri's voice. This personalization makes Siri more relatable and enjoyable to interact with. Another important aspect is the Allow Siri when locked option. Enabling this feature allows you to use Siri even when your device is locked. This is particularly useful for quick tasks like setting reminders or checking the weather without having to unlock your device. Finally, ensure that the feedback option is set to when silent mode is off. This ensures that Siri provides both visual and audio responses, giving you the flexibility to use Siri in various environments. Setting the stage right is crucial to maximizing the benefits of Siri. With these steps, we're now ready to dive deeper and explore the expansive capabilities of Siri. So let's continue our journey and discover the true potential of Siri. Ladies and gentlemen, before we delve into navigating Siri's interface, let's take a moment to fine-tune Siri for maximum efficiency. In this scene, our AI guru, Ram Naresh Jha, will share some insider tips on how to optimize Siri to make it more responsive, accurate, and personalized. First up, we have Siri suggestions. By enabling this feature in the Siri and search settings, Siri can make proactive suggestions for apps to use or actions to take based on your usage patterns. This feature can be a real time saver, especially when you're multitasking. Next, it's time to train Siri to recognize your voice. Go to Siri and search settings and select Listen for Hey Siri. You'll be asked to repeat a few phrases so Siri can learn to recognize your voice. This step significantly improves Siri's accuracy in understanding your commands. Another optimization tip is the personalized results feature. Once enabled, Siri can provide personalized responses based on the data from your apps. For instance, Siri can suggest a playlist from Apple Music based on your recent listening habits. Remember, these optimizations not only make Siri more efficient, but also make your interactions more personalized and enjoyable. With these insider tips, you're now ready to elevate your Siri experience to the next level. So let's move on to understanding Siri's interface and delve deeper into the world of Siri. Our journey into the depths of Siri's capabilities begins with a comprehensive understanding of its interface. Just like an expert sailor navigating the vast ocean, we need to familiarize ourselves with the tools at our disposal to get the best out of Siri. The Siri interface is cleverly designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. When you say, "Hey Siri," your Apple device springs to life, displaying a waveform that indicates Siri is listening and ready to respond to your commands. This visual cue is a subtle yet powerful tool, reminding you that Siri is always at your service, waiting to assist you. To interact with Siri, you simply need to speak your command. For instance, saying, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7 a.m." will prompt Siri to set the alarm for you. But what if you're in a noisy environment or don't want to speak aloud? Don't worry, Siri has got you covered. You can type your command instead. Just go to Settings, Accessibility, Siri, and turn on Type to Siri. Now you can type your command and Siri will respond as usual. Siri's responses are not only audible but also visible. The responses appear in a chat-like format, making it easy for you to review previous interactions. You can even edit your previous command by tapping on it, saving you the trouble of repeating the entire command again. Remember, Siri is designed to adapt and learn from your usage patterns, making it more personalized and efficient with every interaction. So let's continue our journey and delve beyond the basics to explore the true potential of Siri. While Siri is widely known for handling messages, calls, and scheduling, it's the lesser-known features that really highlight its versatility. Did you know Siri can read your emails out loud? Just say, "Hey Siri, read my new emails," and it will promptly do so. This is especially useful when you're driving or too busy to read. One of the hidden gems is the feature that enables Siri to translate languages in real time. Say, "Translate good morning to French and bonjour." If you're keen on learning a new language, Siri can be your language tutor. Moreover, you can customize how Siri pronounces your name. Just command, "Hey Siri, learn to pronounce my name," and then pronounce it the way you want Siri to. This brings a personal touch to your interaction with Siri. Integration with third-party apps further enriches Siri's functionality, offering a seamless experience across various platforms. Exploit these lesser-known features to maximize your Siri usage and experience a smoother digital. Welcome to AI Guru Jay. I am your host, Ram Naresh Jha, here to guide you through the magical world of Siri. More than just a tool for setting alarms or sending texts, Siri is also recognized for its effective collaboration with third-party applications. This isn't just a fun-filled feature, it's one of the key elements that makes Siri truly unique. The integration with third-party apps doesn't just simplify tasks like food ordering or ride-hailing. It transforms Siri from a mere virtual assistant into a comprehensive personal aid, escalating your digital interactions to new heights. By exploring these often overlooked options and exploiting its potentials, Siri becomes an indispensable gadget for not just alarms or text dispatches, but also for so much more. With the Listen for Hey Siri option activated in your device, Siri evolves into a powerful hands-free sidekick, managing everything from appointments and reminders to weather updates and beyond. Its integration with third-party applications paves the way for smooth operations across a range of tasks. Let us delve deeper and uncover these hidden facets, allowing Siri to lighten your daily load, functioning as your private assistant. Additionally, Siri's accessibility options make it a priceless tool for users with disabilities, ensuring that its benefits can be enjoyed by all. So let's dive in and explore the full potential. As we continue our journey through the world of Siri, let's turn our attention to some of the less commonly known features that our AI guru, Ram Naresh Jha, is excited to share with us. Siri isn't just about setting alarms, sending texts, or even managing third-party applications. There are countless hidden gems to explore, and these can truly elevate your Siri experience. For instance, did you know that Siri can translate phrases and sentences into many different languages? Or that Siri can identify a song just by listening to it? Yes, Siri's capabilities stretch far beyond its commonly known features, and we're here to help you discover them all. Whether it's checking flight status, reading emails aloud, or even rolling a dice, Siri's got your back. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your virtual assistant. As we continue to unlock Siri's potential, AI guru Ram Naresh Jha will guide us through the next level of Siri mastery. This scene is all about insider knowledge that will help you optimize your virtual assistant. The key to getting the most out of Siri, Ram says, is to understand how it thinks, how it interprets your commands, and how you can make your requests more efficient. From the optimal way to phrase your questions to the best methods for correcting Siri's mistakes, we'll walk you through a series of tips and tricks that will make your interactions with Siri smoother and more productive. Ready to elevate your Siri experience? Let's dive in. So whether you're a seasoned Siri conversationalist or just initiating your first chat, dive into these delightful surprises and bring on the fun with Siri's quirky responses. In this segment, we're going to explore the world of Siri's accessibility features for users with disabilities. Under the expert guidance of our AI guru, Ram Naresh Jha, we'll delve into the often overlooked but incredibly empowering features of Siri. These hidden treasures can make life not only more accessible, but also provide a fresh outlook on how Siri can be utilized by everyone. Let's not miss out on any detail and tap into the full potential of your adaptable virtual assistant. Tuned as we dive deeper into the inclusive world of Siri. In our final segment, we'll be wrapping up our deep dive into the fascinating world of Siri. We've explored, learned, and discovered the various dimensions of this AI marvel, from the basic to the hidden and the empowering. It's time now for you to take the reins and explore Siri's full potential on your own. Remember, every feature we've discussed today was designed with the intention of making your life easier, more organized, and accessible. Siri is not just a voice on your phone, it's a tool, a companion, and a virtual assistant ready to adapt to your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and customize its features. Siri is intuitive and user-friendly, always ready to learn and grow with you. By embracing these hidden features, you're not only optimizing your device, but also enriching your digital experience. As we conclude, we encourage you to tap into Siri's untapped power. The world of Siri is at your fingertips, waiting to be explored. So go ahead and unleash the full potential of your adaptable virtual assistant. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and tricks on using technology to its fullest. Until then, happy exploring!